Hi, also in this video I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. So first go to address bar and search for Visual Studio Code. I type VS Code and go to this Visual Studio Code website. It will appear in the first page in the Google. After that, you will be redirected to this kind of page. So in this website, you can download Visual Studio Code for different platforms as well, Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. So I choose Windows and click download button, and it will ask you to where do you want to download this setup. I choose this location. So now it is downloading. So now it has downloaded. So if I go to the setup, and you can see it here. So to install it, double click on the setup and click I accept the agreement and click next and next. So in this step you can select the install location. So if you want to install this VS Code on different location, make sure to browse and select the relevant location. So I keep it as default setting, and if you come to this select additional tasks window, so here make sure to check this register code as an editor for supported file types, and add to path. If you don't add this to path, you won't be able to open this through terminal. So make sure to check those things, and also if you want to add this code icon to a Windows Explorer file context menu or Windows Explorer directory menu, make sure to check these icons. I'm not going to do that now. So and click next and click install. Now it has successfully installed. Now if I go to start and click this, you can see it has successfully installed. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. See you guys in the next video.